Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to read Peppa's Pizza Party. So do like, share and subscribe before we start Peppa's Pizza Party. It is lunchtime at Peppa's house. Can we make pizzas? Peppa asks. George loves pizza. So do Mommy and Daddy Pig. Yoo-hoo, everyone likes pizza. Peppa is excited to start, but first, everyone must wash their hands. They use soap and water to get all clean. Yoo-hoo, let's wash our hands. When they are done washing, they gather ingredients. To make our pizzas, Daddy Pig says, we need flour, tomato, chimes in Mummy Pig. Cheese, continues Daddy Pig, and toppings. Yes, let's gather the ingredients to prepare a pizza. But wait, there's something missing. George likes pineapple on his pizza, Peppa says. Pineapple? Daddy Pig repeats. On pizza? I think that's against the law. Hee. Peppa laughs. Daddy Pig is being silly. It is not against the law to put pineapple on pizza. Everyone is laughing. That pineapple can be put on a pizza too. Now it is time to make the pizzas. Mummy Pig puts the flour into a bowl. Then she adds water. This mixture will become pizza dough. Tasty, yummy. Mummy Pig sprinkles a little flour on the table so that the dough doesn't stick. Then, with their clean hands, Peppa and George knead the dough. Bam, bam, bam. I am big and strong, Peppa says. And George is big and strong too. So they love doing and kneading the dough. Next, they make the dough into 4 balls. These will become 4 pizza pies. Mummy Pig rolls the dough balls flat with her rolling pin. Oh, says Peppa, they look like pizzas now. Mummy and Daddy Pig make a sauce with the tomatoes. Then Peppa and George smooth it over the dough. I like making pizza. Peppa says, it's so fun. Yes, it's a really fun activity to prepare a pizza. Now it is time to decorate the pizzas. Can we make happy faces on top? Peppa asks. Of course we can, replies Daddy Pig. I'll use mushrooms to make eyes and all is for the smile. And I'll use onions for the eyes and basil for the smile, says Mummy Pig. Peppa uses sweet corn for the smile and little tomatoes for the eyes. George has pineapple for the eyes and cheese for the smile. So everyone has decorated their pizzas. Mummy Pig puts on her own mitts over and then she places the pizzas in the oven to bake. So here are the pizzas under baking. When the pizzas are done, Peppa, George, Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig eat in the garden. Yoo-hoo! Their pizzas are very good. These are the best pizzas in the world, says Peppa. Peppa loves pizza. Everyone loves pizza. Yoo-hoo! So hope you really like this video. So do like, share and subscribe with your friends and enjoy the pizza. And also if you want to see something surprising, just watch the next video which is loading right now. Take care. Have a great day. We are going to show you the game that has been built by Giggle Garvey and it is Alphabet Dash Pro. Learning adventure with every tap. Click on the run game. Quickly do alphabetically all the alphabets before the time runs out like this. Oh yeah, but if you do it wrong, it will show the wrong one. A, B, where is C? D, E, F. And keep on doing it so that you can complete it before the time runs out. There is K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yoo-hoo! So I have done it when the 72 seconds are still left. Share it with us by clicking on Giggle Garvey, or you can simply share on your Facebook, Instagram, on TikTok. by simply copying the message. If you want to try again, just click on restart game and a new game will start.